They say land is the safest investment on earth. But let me ask you one question. If your land can't feed you, and if your land can't generate income for you, can you really call it an investment? Or are you just holding on to a piece of sand waiting for someone else to make it valuable? Today we'll explore how smart investors use their land to generate income, build sustainability, and secure their future even without selling it. This is not about buying or selling any particular property. It's about opening your mind to see what your land can truly do for you. Let's start with the basics. A speculator buys land and waits for the price to increase. An investor, on the other hand, buys land and looks for ways to make it productive from day one. Both strategies can work, but the investor has more control. The speculator depends on luck and market trends. The investor depends on creativity and management. So next time when you buy land, ask yourself, is my money just sitting idle in the soil, or is it working for me? So let's talk about the real part, which is how your land can feed you. Whether it's 1 plot or 10 acres, your land can definitely generate income in different ways. In this video, we're going to talk about 5 ways your land can generate income for you. Number 1 is agribusiness and mini-farming. You don't have to be a farmer to make money from agriculture. You can lease your land to smallholder farmers or partner with agribusiness startups who cultivate crops and share profit with you. Think about crops like cassava, maize, plantain, and vegetables, fast-growing crops with high demand. Or you can go for low-maintenance options like palm trees, cashew, bamboo, which grow over time and appreciate in value. Number 2, poultry, fishery, or livestock projects. A small corner of your land can host a fish pond or poultry farm. These are steady income streams that can start small and scale over time. Imagine earning 300,000 to 500,000 quarterly from just part of your land. That's real utility. Number 3, storage, processing, or farm to market services. You can build simple storage sheds for rent to local farmers, or create a small processing hub like cassava to garri conversion or palm oil extraction. These are ventures where land is your foundation, not just a passive asset. Number 4, event or leisure use. Another option. You can turn your land into a picnic park, a camping site, or an event garden. You'll be surprised how much people pay to use serene natural environments, especially around growing towns. Number 5, eco projects and renewable energy. As the world goes green, eco-based land uses are trending, like solar farms, eco-lodges, and carbon credit projects. Yes, your land can actually earn you carbon credits if it supports tree planting and reforestation programs. Let's be practical. I've seen people buy 2 acres of land, fence one, and use the other one for plantain farming, selling bunches every 6 months while the value of their land grows. Others partner with agri-cooperatives who pay yearly rent. No stress, just structured income. There are also young investors who turn portions of their undeveloped plots into small gardens for organic vegetable, selling to local supermarkets.
How far we've come in just one day. Our own organic vegetables, finally.
These are not big companies, just ordinary people who decided that their land must work for them. Beyond just money, this mindset builds sustainability. Every productive land supports jobs, reduces wastes, and contributes to food security. Imagine millions of Nigerians turning idle plots into productive spaces who will produce food, wealth, and community impact all at the same time. And for you, the investor, it means you're no longer waiting for someday. You're earning while you wait, and that is the smartest kind of investment there is. So next time someone says they own land, ask them, does your land feed you? If not, maybe it's time to rethink the word investment. Don't buy land and just wait. Make it work, make it grow, make it feed you. Because when your land starts producing, you're not just an owner, you're a true investor. If you found this helpful, share it with someone who owns land or dreams of owning land. And don't forget to subscribe for more insights on real estate investments and wealth building ideas that actually work.